Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, welcome back with me Irzi, and in this video I will give you tutorial again. And the tutorial I will make the micro interaction again. The micro interaction is order button or pay button. Okay, first we make the frame, but we not use the iPhone's 11 Pro X. Okay, like this we uh, make a square. After that we use the rectangle and we make the button. We fit it in the middle, and then the radius we add to 10, and we change the color to orange, and this decoded. After that we add text, pay no, like this, and then fit it in the middle button, and we add the size to 50, like this, and then we copy the frame, sorry, like this, and then we delete this, sorry. uh, we make rectangle again. We use the rectangle tool, fit it in the middle, and we use the 100 reduce, like this, and then we delete the fill and we add the stroke. We change the thickness to 2, like this, and then we add text, and we change the size to 20, like this, and then we just and we copy the square, the rectangle, and we delete the stroke. We add the fill and we adjust the size, like this, and then we change the color to orange, like this. After that we open the plugin, we click the neomorphis, and we click the neomorphs it, like this, and then we close the plugin. We change the color to orange, all the effect to orange, like this, and then we copy again and we delete all effect, and we add the stroke, we delete the fill. After that we change the color stroke to white, and we add the thickness 1.5, like this. After that we group the outline and the fill, like this, nice, and then we copy the frame, we adjust it, and we copy again, like this, and then we fit this to middle, and then we put this to to this, like this. You can follow me. And then we make the success information announcement. We use the ellipse tool and we add the frame. We fit it in the middle like this, and then we add the stroke and we add the thickness to 5 like this. And then the thickness color we change to orange, and the fill we change to the orange, but this is so many uh, so white like this. And then we open the plugin Iconify, then we search checklist, and then I choose this. We import icon, we close the plugin, and then we add the icon to frame without the empty frame. After that we change the color icon to white, and we adjust size and we put it in the middle like this. Nice. And then we add the we add the text, we group to this, and then we hide the icon. After that we copy again and we delete the loading bar, and we up the icon and fit it in the middle like this, but we up little, and then we add the text and we change the color to orange. This we fit the middle, and we add the size to 25. Nice. And then we copy again and we adjust and we drag to little bottom like this. We group the text success and the icon like this, and then we change the text color to the outline the icon, and then we change to prototype. We add the prototype frame 1. We use the one click smart animate and is in and out. After that we add the prototype again, and this is changed to after delay, and the animation same. After that we add again, this is we change the after delay, and the animate it's same again after delay, and then we add again, we change to after delay, but this is not faster. We change to 1 ms, and then we try this. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, we click like this. You can see. any wrong. Maybe the animation we change to is in and more. We try and we change the type again. We change to the is out. Maybe we try. Okay, we zoom to fit. Nice. Okay guys, maybe that's enough video tutorial from me. If you have any suggestion, please put them in the comment column and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon.